In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a Notion page with a password, and I want to clear up a very important misunderstanding right from the start, so you don't waste your time. Many people search for how to password protect a Notion page, but Notion does not currently support true password protection on individual pages. What it does offer is a page locking feature, and that's what I'll walk you through step by step in this video. This is still extremely useful if you want to prevent accidental edits, protect layouts, or keep content from being changed. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Notion and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your main dashboard. This is the home area where all your pages and workspaces are listed. From the dashboard, click on the page that you want to lock. This can be a personal page, a shared workspace page, a project page, or even a template you don't want edited accidentally. Once the page is open, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the Page Options menu. Click on that menu to open the full list of page actions. In the menu, look for the option called Lock Page. When you click Lock Page, Notion immediately locks the page. You'll notice that the page now shows a locked indicator at the top. At this point, you can still view all the content on the page, but you can no longer edit text, move blocks, or add new content. This is where many people get confused, so let me be very clear. Locking a page is not the same as adding a password. Anyone who already has access to the page can still view everything on it. The lock only prevents editing, not viewing. If you ever want to edit the page again, simply click on the Locked button at the top of the page and choose Unlock. You'll instantly regain full editing access. This feature is especially helpful if you're using Notion for documentation, guides, dashboards, or structured systems that you don't want changed by mistake. It's also useful when sharing a page with teammates, but wanting to keep the structure intact. If your goal is true privacy, the only way to restrict access in Notion is by controlling who the page is shared with. You can do this by clicking the Share button and removing people or limiting permissions. Notion does not allow you to set a password that someone must enter to view a page. So to quickly recap, go to your dashboard, open the page you want to protect, click the three-dot menu, and select Lock Page. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to lock a Notion page and understand the difference between locking and password protection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.